What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have another update on Superfarm, also known as Superverse. Just to make it clear, Superfarm has rebranded to Superverse, so yeah, Superverse is its new name if that's what you call it. So as you guys can see, it's pumped up about 28% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at just above 76 cents. So we're going to be looking at why has it pumped up. Is it going to keep pumping up in value, potentially hitting the dollar mark by the end of the year? And going into 2024, what can we expect from Superverse? Is it worth buying it right now? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, should you sell it right now? Or should you hold on to it before it pumps up even higher next year? But before we get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart, and we do have the Fibonacci scale on the screen right now, which I'm going to be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. And as you guys can see, we have broken out from the dark green zone into the blue zone. So this is a critical time for the crypto itself. It has to either drop back down or break out from where it is at the moment, which I will be going through later on in the video. For now, let's hide this and bring on the MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, giving us the average value of Superverse, which is here in purple at 61 cents. However, the crypto is trading at a much higher value here in green at 76 cents, meaning it's performing very well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning more gains in value are expected from Superverse over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, the crypto should be trading around 80 cents is what I'm expecting it to be trading at. However, do expect red candles in between. It is likely to take a little bit of dips here and there in between, just like how it's been performing over the last 24 hours, but the overall outcome seems to be more on the positive side. So heading to around 80 cents in target is what I'm expecting from Superverse by the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow. Moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days still looking quite bullish, heading towards the positive direction. However, it is looking quite steep, as you guys can see here, due to the fact that it's pumped up quite a bit over the last couple of days, meaning this is not realistic. Again, over the next 7 to 8 days, so let's say by the end of next week, I'm expecting Superverse to have dropped back down to around 70 cents in target is where I'm expecting it to be trading at. But in between that time, it is likely to pump up higher than 80 cents over the next couple of days before it slowly starts to drop back down to around 70 cents by mid to end of next week. So essentially, it's just like a wave, guys, up and then back down, and then potentially pumping back up in value going into 2024. But yeah, at the moment, an overall drop in value is what is expected from Superverse over the next 7 to 8 days. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, now we're looking a little bit more skeptical. The blue line is clearly looking bullish, heading towards a positive direction, and the orange line is looking slightly bearish, heading towards the negative direction. So essentially what we have is two lines going the opposite direction to each other. One is looking bullish and one is looking bearish. So what does this mean for Superverse? An overall fluctuation in value is what is expected. So it should be trading around 77 cents by February, March next year. However, I'm expecting the crypto to have pumped up higher than where it is at the moment. Getting closer to the dollar mark is where I'm expecting Superfarm or Superverse to be trading at in late February, early March 2024, and potentially even hitting the dollar mark by the end of quarter one, beginning of quarter two of 2024. However, it is likely to go for a price correction in between that time. What that means is basically dropping back down to around 50 cents in value and then slowly starting to gain back up in value by late January, mid-March, and then late January, February and March as well, slowly steadily increasing in value, heading towards very close to the dollar mark. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and go to the crucial point of where Superverse is at the moment. As you guys can see, it has literally broken out from the green zone here earlier today and currently in the blue zone. However, the reason why I'm expecting it to drop back down a little bit but in value over the next week or so is because the crypto has not resisted at this point here. Usually a crypto would resist and then pump up in value. However, this crypto didn't resist and literally just pumped up into the blue zone. So what should essentially happen is the crypto should drop back down into the dark green zone here and then resist for a couple of days and then potentially break back out into the blue zone in early 2024 is what I'm expecting. However, if there are any major changes to that, for example, if I'm expecting a major crash or a major bull run or anything like that, I will of course keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has also gone up over 200%, making it $108 million in trading, which is a huge increase in trading. It is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours. So yes, I'm presuming it is getting a lot of attention out there from both buyers and sellers point of view. So a lot more people are trading the crypto and it is getting a lot of traction as well. So going into the Binance website here, we can see, okay, it's not in here, but let's have a look at CoinMarketCap. It should be in the top gainers list, guys, and here we have it. So Superverse is one of the top gainers in the last 24 hours, as we can clearly see. So can it hit the dollar mark? I've answered that question already. Let me know, when are you guys expecting Superverse to be hitting the dollar mark? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.